Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you the unboxing and first look of a new knife that I was able to get here into my channel. So this is a knife for my good friend JR. He was so gracious to borrow it to the channel so I can make a unboxing and first look of type of video. So it has been a really long time since I reviewed any kind of a Byrd product from Spyderco. So the news that lots of these knives will be discontinued, it really made me a little bit sad. So I'm really happy that I can get my hands on before these will be discontinued and can have it on my channel. So what I'm talking about, this is the Byrd Cara Cara 2 with the Wharncliffe blade. The model number is BY03PBKWC2, and if you want one, then I suggest go check out your favorite dealer, distributor to get one of these, because these are getting discontinued. I don't know why. In my opinion, the Wharncliffe blade shape is a really nice and functional blade shape, and I really enjoy to have some of my knives with this blade profile, but for some reason Spyderco decided to venture into the maybe different designs, or maybe they will be producing this in different blade steels, so therefore they are discontinuing these model numbers. So I don't know, time will tell us what is the situation with this. So if you remember, maybe you don't, one of my first high quality knives that I got myself into this whole collecting was a Byrd Cara Cara 1. I have here with me. So this was the first iteration in the stainless steel configuration, and this was the Byrd Cara Cara that I purchased around, I would say, probably around 15 years ago. Okay, so now let me give you the specifications. So we have an overall length of 21.7 centimeters, that is 8.5 inches. The blade length is 9.7 centimeters, or 3.8 inches. The blade width is 2.9 centimeters, 1.1 inch. The blade thickness is 2.4 millimeters, or 0.1 inch. Handles are the handle is 12.2 centimeters, 4.8 inches long, with a thickness of 1 centimeter, or 0.4 inches, that is without the pocket clip. I have to mention that the Byrd line is a fully Chinese produced Spyderco licensed product, and it mimics one-to-one some designs that they have in the regular production made in Japan, but with some design changes. So for those of you who know, I show it really often here on my channel, is the Spyderco Endura and the Cara Cara. In this version 2 is a design that is similar to the Endura, but has a few different features. So for one, it has a nice forward finger choil, which the Endura does not have. Then of course it has a oval, or should I say stylized thumb hole opener. Spydercos all have the round hole opener, and slightly differently shaped scales with a different pattern of the FRN, or plastic injection molding texture, that is on the scales. Other features are the same. So still 4 points of mounting for your pocket clip, mid lock with the Boyd end, nested liners on both. The steel, of course, will be different. On the Byrd we have the HCR13 MOV, which is a lower end Chinese semi-stainless steel, and with a flat grounded blade. This is the Wharncliffe configuration. For comparison, Here is my old Cara 2, Cara Cara 2 with the standard drop point configuration. But these are the same knives, just they are divided or by time. Okay, we have a, like I mentioned, a backlock construction. For the pivot assembly, we have a bronze washers inside. You can disassemble this knife if you choose so to clean it. Skeletonized nested liners are inside. The weight comes at 88.6 grams or 3.1 ounce. The MSRP is $53 US, but nowadays you can get this one for around $28 US. Some of these will be probably on sale because they're discontinued, so dealers will be pushing out the stock while it lasts. So check out your favorite dealer if you want one. On the blade we have this is probably the original logo for the thumb hole opener. They have trademarked it, and we have made in China. On the other side we have the bird and the steel which is used. There were completely 19 different versions that I could count, divided in a few variants. So you have your standard where did I put it? The standard drop point in different configurations, so chisel edged with the partial serrated, full serrated, a blacked out version. Then you have your stainless steel version of this knife. Then you have the rescue with modified sheep's foot blade, and there is also the Wharncliffe, few Wharncliffe variants. So couple of colors regarding the scales, and you could really choose different models and different configurations if you wanted. Okay, so now let's see the sharpness of the box. This is a new knife, so it is really nice and sharp. What to expect for a really nice full thread grounded blade. As far as forgot to mention the pocket clip. So the pocket clip is your standard hourglass type with medium stiffness. This is always appreciated, and it will go inside a pocket without any problems, and this is how much it will be sticking out. So by now Spyderco has his pocket clips really nicely dialed in. I always appreciate that. Okay, now let's see the size comparison. So let's put the Endura right there. As you can see, Endura is, I would say, just a hair larger. Here's the Delica. There is also a smaller version, the Meadowlark, which is basically a Delica. So if you want to get smaller, then you can go even smaller. And there is also a Dragonfly variant, but I do not remember the name of it. Sorry about that. Okay, so now let's continue with some other knives that I have here on the table. So here is the red Model 1. $940 from Benchmade. Kaiser Breaklighter 2. A large Reptilian from Benchmade. Spyderco Paramilitary 2. Benchmade Bug Out. CVV Elementum. Tucson Model 111 in my Carta. QSP Penguin. Buck Spring Pro. Rough Rider Peanut. CRKT Pilar 1. And let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. So overall, I must say the Byrd Cara Cara is a really great budget offering at the price point at which you can get it right now before they are selling out is, in my opinion, unprecedented. So for under $13, this is a really great piece of Spyderco history, and probably so I can only say I hope they will re-release after some time this design, and I hope they will not completely discontinue the Cara Cara 2 model line, because they are just really great options if you cannot get one of these, which the Spyderco Endura costs nowadays probably over $100. You can definitely get one of these, and you will have the same really nice ergonomics. I would probably say even better, because this is really nice for finger choil. I don't know why there is no a new iteration of, or should I say improvement of the Endura, in which they use the similar design with the finger choil on this one, and this is the same also on the Delica. So the Meadowlark has a nice four finger choil, and Delica does not have. So yeah, maybe in the future, who knows. With that being said, I'd like to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day, and hope to see you soon.